Due to some problem in the technical problem, we stopped at the middle. Anyway, for the case 2, for square planar complexes, see, for a square planar complex, we shall discuss. Suppose this is the type carbon tetrachloride, right? Or don't want this. This is not M. A. This is central metal ion. A for general structure. I'll write it here. See, first I'm going to discuss this one. Second one, M. A3 B. This type. Third one, M. A2 B2. 4 M. A B C D. All are different. Here all 4 are identical. Here 3 are identical, 1 is different. Here 2 are identical, here 2 are identical. Here all are different. Let us see what happens one by one. Right? See, strictly following the NCERT, that is for the NEET exams, remember. Okay? Therefore, it is covering a maximum number of questions. For MA4, I'll take first draw the structure like this. In fact, this is a planar, square planar. Central metal is here, one side. 2, 3, 4. These are ligands, right? A. See, what you have to do is you open the textbook, find out, give some, write the examples. You also write the notes along with me and write the example in that. 1, 2, 3 examples you write it and again study that. It will be easy. Okay. Students, you see there are 4 ligands and these 4 ligands are donating, each ligand donate 2 electrons. It's called coordination bond. What is coordination bond? Donating a pair of electrons. See, what is covalent bond? Covalent bond is sharing, But coordinate bond is what? Giving both the electron, donating the 2 electrons to this. This is called coordination bond. Sharing bond, see, example, hydrogen and hydrogen. Here 1 electron, here 1 electron. This shares, this shares. Therefore, this is covalent bond. But therefore, we write like this for covalent bond. But coordination bond, you write the narrow, this. Right? Now, what I am going to do is just I flip these two. Just I flip. Let us see what happens. When you flip, what will happen? You are getting the same. No change. Therefore, there is no GA for MA4. Now coming to this MA3B, I draw this. M1, 2, 3, B. I flip this structure. If I flip the structure, what happens? What will happen? B comes here. A comes here. Here there is no change. A change. It will not change. B is at the top. Now B at the top and A at the bottom. See, when you observe here, what will happen? A diagonally opposite, or it's for you draw a line perpendicular to this A, perpendicular to this A for this line, right? Perpendicular line contains A. Here AB. Here also AB, here also AB. Opposite to this, opposite of A, here also A. Therefore, both are identical. Right? See, by interchanging also, we are not getting any different structure. What is it? Both are same. Both remain same. Therefore, we can conclude there is here what? No geometrical isomerism. No geometrical isomerism. Here also no geometrical isomerism. No geometrical isomerism of this type. Okay. See, do you remember we used to remove hands and take off his hands of a human being? Do you remember we gave an example? It applicable for this 2 hand, 2 leg, 1 head. You remember that stage? How many possibilities are there? What is that? 4 possibilities. Do you remember we had done 4 possibilities? See here, either we write AA, BB, then again AB and AB. Now what present I'll take any 2 combination of this. Let me discuss what it is. See, you know this very nice example, but it is a very horrible example. Murdering a person. That means making pieces. Don't want. This is a easy way to remember. Let us see. Here the number of geometrical isomers are 2 only. Now let me see what are the 2. First one, M, A. This is, see, A, B, this is 1. Here M, I write it. See, AA opposite to that, this is opposite. Complement, right? Here A, B. Right? No, just I'll write it like this. A, this I can write like this. B. I compare this one. This is called trans. This is cis. How many as well? Cis and trans configuration. Cis configuration, trans configuration, you know. See, you have in first year PUC, you have learned what is cis and trans. Right? Therefore, transverse, cis is same side. Cis is same side. Trans is opposite side, vertically opposite size. Okay, there are 2 geometrical isomerisms are possible. Let me try this 4. M, A, B, C, D. Let me try this one. A, B, C, D. If we change A, C, B, D, if I interchange this, is it possible? That is B, C, A, D. How many geometric isomerisms are possible? As I know, 3, is it not? 1, 2, 3. That means, you can connect it, no? 4C, 2. 4 and 3, 2 into 1. Is it 6? Something is, my mathematics brain is going like this, something, or by 2, or permutation of 4P2 is what? 4 and 3. No, don't want all this. Okay. Of geometric isomerism is what? Geometric isomerism 2. This is 3. Okay. And again I am telling you, I am giving only 60% of whatever I heard. The teacher teaches 80% of whatever he read it. But you must exhibit 100% in the exam. Therefore, what I teach 60%, 20, 40% is going for your mind. Alright? Anyway. Okay? See, for next octahedral complex, I'll discuss the next class. Right? Later. See, first, what is optical isomerism? I'll discuss. For that, you know what is polarization. See, light. What is light? Light made up of, according to Newton's law, Newton said light is made up of lot of bullets. It's called corpuscles. Each corpuscles have different size. Different size of the corpuscles have different color, A, B, G, Y, O, R and all. Different color. Right? Then they are moving with a very high velocity. See, all these ideas came the plague period, like Corona, how we have suffered here. We are sitting in our house and thinking. I am asking all students in our country to think on war on virus. War on virus. Immaterial of your subject. I ask all students to read what is virus, what is made up of, then how to make more friendly or to understand that. See, for that you don't require any subject. Every day 10 to 15 minutes. If you read very deep into that, you will understand. See, I am learning biology. Why I learn biology? Just to tackle this virus. Now my knowledge on biology is zero. Over a month, in a month I can understand. Like a prisoner locked in a prison, convicted for 15 years imprisonment. Now, if you plan to escape in 1 year or 2 years, you can escape. It depends upon what effort you do. Same way, now escaping is like finding a root or cure for virus. Therefore, for that you have to learn from the basics. Think that first standard to MBBS level. Do only virology. That is my motto. I have done already, I have studied, and whatever I have learned, I am going to tell you people some days. And you also teach somebody and learn from them, and we, entire nation, let us learn about on virus. Okay, good, diverting our this one. What is polarization? Now, what is light? When you see the light is, according to Maxwell, light is made up of electric vector and magnetic vector. These both are varying field, is it not? They are in transverse wave, and this is an electric vector. This electric vector and magnetic vector, right? That is electric vector, magnetic vector. Both are mutually perpendicular. This is what? Fluctuating electric and magnetic vector. This is called electromagnetic wave, Maxwell. Then again what? Photon. Again photon. Light is nothing but a photon. Photon is vibrating. That means in 1 second it expand and contract. When expand, what will happen? It will be more dull. When its contract, will become more bright. Expand and contract like heartbeat. So fast. In 1 second, 10 times it beats. Or in 1 second, 100 times it expand and contract. 10 to the power of 2 hertz. That means cycle per second frequency. Suppose 10 to the power of 3000 times. It is frequency is equal to 10 to the power of 3. That means 1000 hertz. Or 10 to the power of 6. Or 10 to the power of means 1 lakh. 10 to the power of 6. 1 million time. The light waves are around this range only. Therefore, this photon, it expand and contract, expand and contract. The photon, a light, is represented by what? Expansion is like this in all direction. And contraction in the opposite direction. Therefore, expanded for 10 of length, radius 10, and contraction for 5. See, expand with the radius of 10, contraction at the radius of 5. Then what is the average radius? 10 plus 5 by 2, 7, 15 by 2 or 7.5. Therefore, what I write? I write a circle. Okay. I represent the light. This is my own finding may be wrong, but the idea is very important. See, it expand and contract, expand and contract. This is the light, unpolarized light. This is the unpolarized light, right? Unpolarized light. Vibrations in all directions. Physics students will be knowing, I think you have learned in physics, the vibration takes place in all direction. Particular color. Okay. And what I do is, see for the hairstyle, for hairstyle, you have what you do, right? You can make the hairstyle in one component, right? Right, that is one thing. Or you can have two component. For girls, ladies will have what? Two component. Total hairs, there are the backs, that's not old style. But the Negroes, some people now new hairstyles are there. They will do like this hairstyles, which are several components. But what will happen? If you remove this, all the hairs, it will be like this, right? All components. You can do different components. The same way, the light having a component in all direction, I am going to divide into what? 4 equal parts. All this component, I will making a single C. Here all this component, I will make it like this. This is one component. This is one component. But this I have not tied up. Can you follow? I am not tying it. I am tying it out and make one component. You understood? Similarly, if I tie it out, tie it together, it will be like this. What the language I may use is slang and may not be correct. My English may not be correct. But the idea is, you must have an idea. Look, if I tap it, what will happen? You will get this component. If I tap it, this component will get it, like this. Therefore, this I am going to write it. Therefore, I am making 4 divisions. Therefore, the unpolarized light. Unpolarized light is made up of 4 components. This is 6 vector, this is 6 vector, this is 6, 6. Horizontal, 12 unit, vertical is 12 unit. Now I am rotating like this, 45 degree. How it looks like this. That means 12, 12. This is 6, this is 6, this is 6. Then this is rotated by 45 degree. Further rotated by 45 degree. This is 6, this is 6. Outside 6, inside 6. Therefore 12, 12. Suppose I will cut off this much portion. I will cut off this much portion. 3 unit, here also 3 unit. How much? 6. 3 plus 3, 6, is it not? Therefore, how it looks like this? This is partially polarized. Partially polarized means x-axis what? 6, y-axis is 12. Now I will cut off this entire thing. Okay. Only vertical component is there. Therefore 0, 12. On the other hand, if you cut off these two, suppose I cut off these two, what will happen? 0. And only this component is there. 0 and horizontal component, right? The vertical component, horizontal component I cut off. Now here what I do is, I am cutting off this vertical component fully. Therefore 12, 0, right? How it looks? 12, 0 is what? Dot. 12, 0. 0, 12, how it looks? Now when I write, what is it? 10, 6. What do you mean by this? That means, in unpolarized light, I cut off here 1 unit, 1 unit, 10 unit is there. Here I cut off 3 unit, 3 unit, 6 is there. These both are partially polarized. This is completely plane polarized. This is called completely plane polarized. This is partially plane polarized. Right? All these things I am going to do in the next class. Therefore, remember, suppose unpolarized light. This is unpolarized. Right? Unpolarized light is coming here. That is one particular wavelength or one particular color made to pass on some solution. Some solutions. Right? Some solution. What will happen? See here what happens. The solution systematically cut off. Right? And it will be giving the vibration only one direction. Then this is called, here this is unpolarized, this is polarized light. This is 12 comma 12. Here 0 comma 12. Can you follow? See, I think your PUC you have studied when unpolarized light, right? When unpolarized light made to fall on tourmaline crystal, right? Tourmaline crystal cut at the crystallography axis. What will get? The emergent lay. The intensity reduces. You will get completely plain polarized light. This is 12 comma 12. Here I write 0 comma 12. Right? This is called plane of vibration. Plane of vibration. And there is no vibration perpendicular to this. The plane which is, there is no vibration takes place, is called plane of polarization. You know, when the crystal rotate, what will happen? Plane of vibration also rotate. Plane of polarization also rotate. The plane of polarization in which no vibration takes place. Plane of vibration in which maximum vibration takes place. Plane of vibration and plane of polarization perpendicular to each other. Therefore, suppose glucose you take it. See if it's to take water. I am sending unpolarized light. This is, see, polarized light I am sending. This is polarized light I am made to fall on. I'll send water. There is no slightly change in intensity, or there is no change in intensity. Here also what will happen? 0 and 12. Here also 0 and 12. But it is going like this and coming like this. You understood? So see, I will show like this. It is going like this. Okay. Now, once you go to this length of this solution, nothing is happening. Instead of this, instead of water, you fill glucose or some tartaric acid or something. What will happen? This vibration, right? It was like this. Then the vibration slightly, the solution rotate the plane of vibration to through some angle towards what? Right. Or there are some glucose or fructose or whatever, some other solution, it rotate the plane of vibration towards left. Then the solution which rotate the plane of vibration towards the right is called dextrorotatory. Dextrose means what? Sugars are dextrose, which rotate the plane of vibration towards right. Now if it rotate towards left, it's called levorotatory. There are two types of solution. These and all you supposed to learn in physics. A little bit knowledge in physics. I know that's the reason just I'm telling in a detailed way. Therefore, levorotatory and dextrorotatory, plane polarization. Therefore, optical isomerism I will discuss in the next class. Okay? Thank you.